Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to install Flutter on your system step by step. Here is what we are going to do in this video. First, we will download the Flutter SDK. Then we will extract the files. Next, we will set up the environment path. After that, we will install VS Code. Then we will add the Flutter extension. And finally, we will check if everything is installed correctly or not. So let's get started. Now step 1. Download Flutter SDK. First open Chrome browser and search for Flutter SDK download. Once you enter, you will see install Flutter. Now click on it. Click custom setup. Now click on install manually. Now choose which operating system you want to set up. For me, I'm going with Windows and scroll down and you will see Flutter Windows 3.4 1.6 stable zip. Click on it. It will download. Wait for it download. Now extract file. Open the zip folder which you just downloaded. Click on it and click on extract all. Here we need to choose the file where you want to extract the file. For me, I'm going to store it in C drive. To do that, click on browse and go to C drive and click on new folder and name it as Flutter and then click on select folder now and click on extract. Now step 3, set up environment path. Open the extracted file, click on Flutter, then click on bin and copy the path. And now click on Windows on your keyboard and search for env. Now click on it and go to environmental variables. Now click on it and double tap on the path and now click on new and paste the path which you just copied and now click on OK. Again, OK and OK. Now click on Windows again and search for CMD and then type Flutter version and click on enter. It will show what version of Flutter was installed in your computer. Now step 4, install VS Code Thami. To install VS Code, open Chrome browser and search for download VS Code and it would show download Visual Studio Code. Now click on it and choose Windows and click on x64-bit user installer. It will be downloaded. Once it's done, click on open. Now click on accept the agreement. Click next, 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 install. It would be install. Once it's done, click on finish. Now step 5, install the Flutter extension. Open the VS Code and go to extensions tab on the left side and search for Flutter. And click install and it would take some time. After that, now the last step, checking the installation. To check the installation, click on Windows and search for CMD and type Flutter space doctor. It will show all the required things and what we have installed. We still haven't installed Android Studio and Visual Studio. I'll teach you how to install those two as well in the coming episodes. Do subscribe. Thank you.